When people are sinful, they have bad dreams. But those who are Krishna conscious, they have Krishna conscious dreams. In advanced stage, devotees, what happens? When they are asleep, they're rendering service to Krishna. How is that? Because their subtle body has become so purified, has become Krishna conscious. Therefore, at an advanced stage, one is rendering devotional service 24 hours a day. When he is rendering devotional service, in his sleep also he is rendering devotional service. That will be the perfection. When you are awake, we are chanting, and when you are asleep, then also we will be chanting. We want to reach that stage. That even when we are sleeping, we are chanting the holy name, we are rendering devotional service unto Krishna, and that is the perfection. And in this way, when one is Krishna conscious all the time, isn't it natural that at the time of death he will think of Krishna? So this is how wonderfully effective this process is. Practice the process, perfection will be there. So achieve that perfection.